Okay. The hardcore crowd is here. Well done. I wasn't sure how many people would be here. Any questions before we start? I am enjoying, surprisingly, coursework 2 assessment. Usually coursework assessment is something like that is the worst experience of a lifetime. It's usually very, very painful. It feels like somebody has stuck a needle in you and is drawing the blood and life force out of your body. That's usually what coursework assessment feels like. But I'm enjoying this one. I'm enjoying assessing coursework 2. Some people have done a really good job, and it's really nice to see. Like I'm actually enjoying it, which is the first time I've ever said that since I started working here at the University of Nottingham. No questions? Okay, good. So today's workshop is something very unusual. Can everybody see it on Moodle, hopefully? So this is about captions, something that you probably have never thought about before in your entire life, which is kind of true about a lot of the stuff we do in here, right? You've never, ever thought about it. That's all part of education, right? To get you to think of stuff that you've never thought of before. Has anybody ever thought of captions, writing captions before? Anybody know what, like, anybody ever read about guidelines for writing good captions? Has anybody ever heard of any guidelines for writing good captions before? Anybody? Isn't it shocking that we don't have any guidelines for writing good captions? Isn't that shocking? Even for university students, nobody's ever had guidelines for writing captions. Isn't that surprising? Is that surprising to anybody? I mean, we teach students, right, to write stuff, right? You have report after report after report. You probably don't know how many reports you've submitted because it's like you're in this machine, this educational machine, and it says, write this report, write this report, write this report, and you just keep turning out the reports, right? But you've never talked about captions. You've never learned about captions. You have no guidelines for writing captions. Isn't that weird? There's a major flaw there. Major flaw. Anyways, that's what we're going to talk about today. So today you are going to be a little bit enlightened, a little bit further along on captions. It's going to be an active exercise because we like active learning. Active learning is more effective than passive learning. So in this exercise, you will write captions. So you're going to see a series of charts and images of data, typically. And then you're going to write what you think would be a good caption for that image. And you're going to be graded. And then you will see, so that's phase 1. So you'll write captions, you'll get a grade. After that phase, you will see captions written for given images. You'll see them. There'll be 2 kinds, captions written by experts and captions written by AI. For the same charts, for the same ones that you just did in part 1, right? And then you're looking at like the comparison. You're thinking, oh, what did I write for that? And what do I see written for that? And you're hopefully going to learn something. We'll see. I don't know. That's part of the exercise. And then you're going to see a second set of charts and images and write captions again, right? And we're going to see if your performance improves in the exercise. Does that make sense? So it's 3 parts. It's meant to take something like around a half an hour. something like that. So when you finish, it's an individual exercise, by the way. It's an individual exercise. When you finish, you take a screenshot of your finished screen, like your end, and then you send me a copy. And that's it. The good news is you get bonus points on coursework 3 if you complete this exercise successfully. That's the good news. Is anybody excited about that? So you get a reward. There are 150 students enrolled in this class. I'm going to guess around 50 are here today. Around 50. Well, that's pretty good, actually. That's pretty good. Well, it's all depends on your perspective. In some classes, but like I've seen much different, much lower attendance before. I've seen much lower at this stage of the semester.
I think people found out you do like these bonus giveaways.
Yeah, they do, and it's like the devilish side of me. You know, I wait until the class is feeling weak, and then I punch them. Okay, any questions? So there's the link to the exercise, and there it is. So there's the explanation. It will take approximately 30 minutes. Right, enter your student ID. For me, my student ID is Bob is cool. That's my student ID. My official student ID. My age. Guess. Anybody want to guess my age? 500. I have taken a data viz class. Enter the number you see. 6. So this is a colorblind test, by the way. Probably you guys have seen colorblind tests before. Wow, 3 colorblind tests this time. What the heck? That's way more than usual. Okay, so there it is. There's an example. You see a line chart. You write a caption. What do you think is a good caption? I see the text. I can hear some of the text messages being sent out. Bob's giving away points today. Come into class. Come into class. Somebody just arrived late. If you do have any questions at any time, just let me know. Yeah.